Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon for those that wake up late. I just want to make sure that you know exactly what it is that you have to do today, and it's very straightforward. Announcements. Just make sure that you submitted your exit ticket yesterday. If not, it's late at this point. You will be receiving an email from me today. All right, so we're gonna do a practice of exponential functions for the next 3 days, just to ensure that you actually have time to think through the questions and just analyze your own work. Now, I do want to give a shout out to those that were able to check in with me yesterday and ask any questions on the work. And shout out to everybody for completing their work on time. I think about 90% of you turned in your work on time. For that 10%, make sure that you do so. Shout out to Claribella, Kayla, Wendelin, and everybody that is on this shout out page for being responsible. All right. Now, today, you're basically just gonna have some time to practice Regents problems and to make sure that you check your own work. At the end of your work, you need to make sure that you submit the work that you completed on paper and ensure that you complete the brief. Si tú no entiendes cualquier cosa, por favor, mándame un mensaje. And that goes for everybody. If you don't understand something, please send me a message. There are a lot of resources under the tab resources on Google Classroom. Do now. If you have not yet signed in for Barron's Regents, please make sure that you do so. From now on, most of the work that we will be doing will be based on only Regents problems, and it will be completed through Barron's. If you want to go ahead and finish the whole thing today, go ahead, shoot your shot. I also posted the PDF for those that are having trouble signing up. Now, let's go ahead and complete the work for today. You will have to complete number 1 through 4 with full workshop to submit for the end of the day today. If you complete the whole thing, shout out to you, but the work still needs to be shown for the next few days. Before you begin, make sure that you have your notebook ready to go, pencil, and your calculator. Take a second and breathe and make sure that you're ready to do math. If you don't understand something, please just try and submit it anyway, even if the work has mistakes. Do not cheat. Do not go on Google and figure it out. Please be honest with yourself and try to make sure that we are as efficient as possible and that we're using our integrity even though you're not in the classroom. Now, you will be graded based on this rubric that is here. Everything that is highlighted in yellow, it is essential and important that you submit your written work. If you do not, you will not receive full credit. All right, this is just a reminder of what we're doing this week. For anybody that didn't sign in to yesterday, please make sure that your work is submitted by 11:59 tonight. Work that you need to submit, just do a sea of you with everybody. Take a second to just read. Awesome. The debrief portion, it is already. Please hit submit and turn in. Once you turned it in, tomorrow we will continue to write on that exact document just to ensure that we're not double doing work. I set everything up in one sheet for this week. Next week we'll do something similar just to make sure that it feels like it's enough for you all. Please let me know and reach out if you have any questions to me or Mr. J. We will be available for you.